Today, we're going to durability test the Vivo V27, which will also serve as the Vivo V27 Pro, with the same body and color-changing design.
There is some controversy going on regarding the build quality of the Vivo V27, that it snaps and breaks like a biscuit. So in this video, we are going to hard test the build quality as usual and put this controversy to rest once and for all. This time, Vivo delivers a sleek and stylish design with the V27 Pro with that camera assembly and especially with the color changing frosted glass back. It's got a nice light weight to it, and the extremely slim design seems to be holding up nicely in my usual trial bend.
But looks can only get you so far. Let's move on to the real tests. Just a reminder that all devices with frosted glass, including flagships, have always failed the blade, with the exception of only the recently tested OnePlus 11R 5G flagship. So, we're hoping against hope that the V27 and Pro is able to repeat the rare feat of the 11R by surviving the scratch abuses from the steel. Besides that, poor quality tempered glass protection without oleophobic, mainly from BBK devices, have also failed the steel on a consistent basis. Corning Gorilla glasses, on the other hand, have mostly done great. How is the Vivo V27 Pro going to perform against the blade? Surprisingly, the frosted glass on the Vivo V27 Pro is able to survive the blade, though it fails the scissor abuse with permanent scratch marks.
Next, moving on to fun stuff with value, the bend test. We are going to settle a controversy that the V27 Pro breaks easily due to its extremely weak build. We do agree that we are nervous bend testing the just 7.4 mm thin body. The first bend from the AMOLED has an uncomfortable huge degree of flex, lots of cracking noises and a clear break at the left plastic edge, but no catastrophic build failure as yet. The second backside bend also has a large flex degree, though slightly less than the first. The next display bend makes us more nervous. Definitely more bend degree than the second, but there are no further noises or cracks. The sources which say otherwise seems to be suspect and can't be trusted. It's a big relief the Vivo V27 and Pro passes the dreaded bend test and is tougher than it looks.
Finally, the drop test. We're drop testing the Vivo V27 Pro a total of 6 times, 2 low pocket height drops, 2 high drops with the default case, and the last 2 will be naked high drops. We're expecting it to survive easily due to its lighter weight, but you never know since both sides glass means double the chances of shatter, and also the fact that it is an AMOLED display. No issues from either low drops, as is expected from any device. Next, 2 high drops on the bottom and top side with the provided case. The case definitely has prevented ugly marks and dents on the edges. Next, the 2 danger high drops, first on the camera unit and frosted glass side. The frosted glass unexpectedly and unfortunately shatters and fails with multiple spider webs, especially towards the bottom part. Next, second high drop, screen side. Will the display survive the heavy drop impact?
Overall, the V27 proved to be a pretty durable phone, with the exception of the fragile frosted back, which can break easily if dropped. Just make sure to invest in a third-party protection and or buy insurance if you are a certified phone dropper.